How to point a domain to Hostinger. So log into the website where you register your domain name. This could be a service like OTT, Namecheap, or any other domain registrar. Find a DNS management or DNS settings section for the domain you want to point to Hostinger. Then update the name servers to Hostinger name servers. After updating the name servers, save the changes. The process for saving changes may vary depending on your domain register interface. It may take some time, usually a few hours up to 14 hours, for the DNS change to propagate across the internet. Once the DNS changes have propagated, log into your Hostinger account and set up hosting for the domain. After setting up hosting, test the domain to ensure it is correctly pointing to your Hostinger account. Thanks for watching.